Alors, je souhaite la bienvenue à la commission scolaire English Montreal. Madame Lobianco, Madame Mancini, Monsieur Ortona, merci d'être avec nous. Je vous rappelle que vous disposez de 10 minutes pour faire votre présentation et par la suite, on passera à une période d'échange entre les élus. Alors, je demande juste de vous identifier et vous pouvez commencer tout de suite avec votre présentation. Alors, la parole est à vous, Madame Mancini.
Merci, Madame la Présidente. Alors, je suis Angela Mancini, présidente de la commission scolaire English Montreal. Et avec moi aujourd'hui est Madame Sylvia Lobianco, vice-présidente de la commission scolaire English Montreal, et Maître Joe Ortona, qui est commissaire. Derrière moi, on est très fiers d'avoir avec nous des parents, des élèves, notre directrice générale et enseignante, qui sont les parties prenantes de notre commission scolaire. Je tiens à remercier la commission de nous donner la chance de faire entendre notre voix et du même coup celle des centaines de milliers de personnes qui appuient et supportent la démarche que nous entreprendrons ici aujourd'hui. La position que nous allons expliquer ici devant vous n'est pas seulement la nôtre. La commission scolaire English Montreal a mené des consultations sur le projet de loi 86 auprès des parents et des contribuables, des syndicats et des associations des cadres, des conseils d'établissement de notre commission scolaire qui représente les parents et le personnel des écoles, d'autres commissions scolaires francophones et anglophones, ainsi que des experts juridiques. Notre conclusion et la leur est tout simple. Le projet de loi 86 est antidémocratique et anticonstitutionnel. Il constitue une menace pour la réussite de nos enfants et ne permet en rien d'augmenter la place des parents au sein du pouvoir décisionnel.
We came to present the position of our school board today against Bill 86. Basically, we told the government it had to go back to the drawing board in order to ensure that it came back with a team of people. It would consult all the stakeholders of the school boards and the educational system in order to come up with a better plan and a better legislation that would touch really upon student success. This particular one misses the mark.
I think it went very well. We impressed upon the parliamentary committee and the minister that Projet de loi 86 is unconstitutional, anti-democratic, and does nothing for student success. We are asking them to go back to the drawing board and be inclusive, have all the partners around the table, and let's look at all the best practices that we have at our school board that we can pass on to other school boards since we are the highest success rate in the province of Quebec at the EMSB.
Very clearly, it's an undemocratic and unconstitutional law, and that's why we feel that it should be repealed. And I think the government should go back to the drawing board and before depositing anything else, should consult all of the major stakeholders in education. That is basically our number one argument with regards to this, and I was very happy with the presentation that we gave. I was very happy to see that the members of the National Assembly that were present this morning were at least receptive and seemed willing to listen to what we had to say and take it into consideration.
Well, since Bill 86 hit the news, we've had students doing press reviews, trying to find out as much information as they possibly can. We've had both in-person discussions at our MSAC meetings as well as online discussions. And it was almost unanimous that students were opposed to Bill 86, that they feel that Bill 86 is anti-democratic, that it's making unnecessary changes to the current governance structure, and it's not going to have any positive outcomes in terms of student success.
If you read Bill 86, it's evident, obvious that it's a government move to gain control over the education system. So it's less. It's not even democratic. I can't even say it's less democratic, but it's totally an authoritarian move, and it definitely. Our way of life is democratic. Like they plan on. They say Bill 86 claims to give more power to the parents, but as a matter of fact, the parents elected would not be even elected. They would be selected. And on top of that, they wouldn't have as much. They wouldn't have majority vote, which means they wouldn't even be able to make a decision if they wanted to. I feel like if the government wanted to pass Bill 86, if they wanted to change the school boards, the education system so much, they should take a couple lessons from us, because we are the most successful school board, Anglophone school board in Quebec, with our success rate of 86.7%. And we should improve it, not demolish it.
Everyone in our school board had an opportunity to contribute, to give their thoughts on Bill 86. And I'm very proud of our chairman for taking into consideration all of the different stakeholders' opinions in writing the brief and representing them so well today in Quebec City. And of course, among them, the administration of the board, the parents, the students, and I think it was a very great success. The Liberals who were at the committee listened very attentively, asked a lot of questions, as did the opposition, and I think that we've been taken very seriously today, and I'm very pleased to see that.